Hello everyone, and welcome to our weather update on July 23rd, 2024. This day, Tuesday, we started off with some sunshine, especially through Ulster, but the clouds did roll in through the day from the west. There is a lot of high-base clouds, but also under that there is some low-base clouds. So most areas are just cloudy, no more sunshine. Through tonight, though, we will see some cloud breaks forming, especially in the south. And into Wednesday, Wednesday morning, we start to see some rain pushing in from the west, some heavy bursts at times, and this rain will push eastwards through the morning. This rain will affect the eastern counties in the afternoon before it clears to cloud and drizzle in the evening. It will stay overcast through the evening. Overnight, though, we will see some breaks forming in the cloud in parts of the Midlands and North. Into Thursday, Thursday starts off quite cloudy and misty with some drizzle around, especially in the west. But into the afternoon, we see the cloud breaking up and showers forming, some heavy at times, especially in the north. Into Friday, Friday it starts off cool and fresh and clear, and we see some showers forming in the afternoon. Again, some heavy ones in there. Into the evening, we see some showery rain pushing in, especially in the south and east. Before overnight, we see further showers coming in there from the west. Elsewhere, it clears up. And Saturday itself will be a showery day with some heavy downpours in there, some thundery ones as well, especially in the east in the afternoon. Well, all areas for a time before they are focused in the east through the afternoon and evening. And at this minute, Sunday mornings, it will start off dry and clear, but we could see some rain pushing in behind that. I have bad news about the latest possible warm spell coming up. Anyway, so Tuesday, today's high temperatures of around 16 to 18 Celsius. We're actually getting up to around 21 degrees by 3 p.m. in parts of the southeast. That is inland parts of the southeast. Where I'm on the coast, it's about 19 degrees. Into the evening hours and overnight, we see lows of around 14 to about 12 to 14, should I say, coolest in the west and mildest in the east. Into tomorrow, Wednesday. Wednesday is quite a cool day, with highs of around 15 to 18 Celsius, warmest in the west behind the rain. And this more humid air will move eastwards through Wednesday itself. Into Thursday, Thursday morning, it starts off very mild with lows in the low teens, before highs in the afternoon reach a good 16 to 20 Celsius, almost in the South Midlands. Into Friday morning, Friday morning starts off fresher, lows of 10 to 13, before highs in the afternoon reach 14 to 19 Celsius, southwest to northeast. Into Saturday morning, it starts off okay enough, lows of 10 to 14, and guys, highs in the afternoon of around 17 to 21, all dependent on where you see showers. And at this stage, Sunday morning will start off quite chilly, lows of 8 to 10. But I think Sunday itself should be a warm day in sunshine. Here's the NAO index of southern forecasters. So we're currently looking at quite a positive NAO coming up. So that means we'll see the Azores high being a bit more, influential than usual. So some dry spells, but also some wetter days coming up. Normally, you'd see the high pressure being quite strongly rushing in with this level of the NAO, but it's not. But there's a chance of that into late July and early August. And I must say the chance in big capitals. So here is the GFS run. We look at the 6Z run. There we go. Okay, so the GFS 6Z run is like this. So again, today we're seeing that the Azores high is sending a ridge into us. So today is a dry day, but it's only a transient ridge. So by tomorrow, we'll see the next area of low and its rain bands coming in from the west tomorrow morning, especially. And into Thursday, Thursday is a showery day, and so is Friday. Also by Friday, we're into a cooler air mass there from the northwest. Into Saturday, again, we're quite showery, with that trough through there, but also by Sunday, we have, again, a ridge coming through. Now the GFS has really downplayed that ridge and really made that low to our west a lot stronger, and that again just flattens it off through into Monday, bringing some more rain with that. But beyond that, it's Tuesday, Wednesday, again that high has to go. So that high pressure to our south is trying to come northwards. It's finally trying. It's putting the effort in, but the lows to our west are just a bit too strong, and they constantly, just barrel through the high. So, but anyway, next Tuesday, Wednesday are quite dry and warm up until Wednesday evening, should I say, when the Westies do break through again. And into Thursday, again, look at that ridge is trying to do its job. So next Thursday is dry and warm, but next Friday, Saturday, just go cool and wet again. Now that low is properly in charge. Now into next Sunday, Monday, at this stage, we're up to Monday, August 5th. Again, that high is trying to come in. And it does so in the end quite nicely, but then that low is coming through. So it's very changeable. The Azores high is trying to come in, is trying to give a summer, but the lows are kind of too strong for it to do its job properly. So here is, excuse me, that's wrong of me to say. Here is the ECMWF. Okay, so again, we have this high coming through today to the transient ridge before tomorrow is wet again and cloudy and misty. Thursday, Friday are showery days, getting cooler through the end of the week. So is Saturday, showery day. Now Sunday is dry and warm on this day, away from the west coast where I think it'll be a bit cloudier. Obviously Monday we see the low breaking through, so we do see rain with that quite widely. Into Tuesday, Wednesday, incoming westerly winds. Again, there's a strong high pressure to our south, but it's struggling to come northwards. It sort of does for the UK through next week, but not really for Ireland, and we sort of stay westerly. Here is the GEM midnight run. Here we go. So GEM, let's see how that compares. So the GFS was okay. The ECM just didn't want to bring us the high and gave it to the UK, and here's the GEM. GEM again, transient ridge today. Wednesday, Thursday so Wednesday brings some rain through, also some humid air. Thursday and Friday go fresher and showery. Into Saturday, again showery. Sunday, even less of a ridge. Oh god, failure. And then that deep low comes through from the west into Monday, and Tuesday just goes completely cool and showery. Next Thursday, August 1st, tries to bring the high back to our south, but it's really to our south. We stay westerly. Look, it's right there. The warm and dry weather is right there. The hot summer weather is right there. But that low, that is just the culprit, and it's keeping the westers in. It's keeping this high from pushing northwards. It wants to come northwards, but these lows to our north just won't let it do so. Here is the UK Met Office run, so let's see how that is doing. Here we go. So UK Met run, as we go into Tuesday, Wednesday, again transient ridge today, and Wednesday is quite humid and damp. Thursday, Friday are showery, as we know. Here's Sunday. It's also really to our south. We might get a bit of influence there. A bit of influence Monday, we're wet and windy. Tuesday, yeah, I think that's just westerly. Here's the Icon midnight run. We do the midnight run because that one's got the longer time range. So here we go. Let's see what the Icon will bring. Really, the GFS is our only hope at the minute. Obviously, we know that isn't the most reliable run. Here's the Icon. Here's the Icon again. So by Thursday or Friday, we're into cool and showery MS. Okay, that is the high we need to watch, but that low looks steep. So by Sunday morning, we do have a bit of an influence there. The Sunday is probably going to be a warm and dry day for the southeast, but that low is really getting itself whipped up there to our northwest, and it will flatten that high up into Monday, bringing really actually a deluge and a gale, especially into like Tuesday midnight sort of period there. And there's no sign of that ridge coming through because that looks like a proper old westerly blast. And here's the arpege. So really, yesterday actually, although I didn't do a video because I was getting my teeth pulled out and everything, yesterday the runs looked actually quite promising. There was a wobble on Sunday from a lot of runs. Then yesterday they seemed to go back onto it, and today they've gone off again. It reminds me so much of winter, when we're chasing the cold spells and they never come off. Now we're chasing the heat waves and they don't come off ever. Anyway, so here's the arpege. Again, transient ridge today. That's like a equivalent of a like 1 day northerly blast in the wintertime. And then into Wednesday, Thursday, we're back into westerly winds. Showery through Thursday, Friday. Tomorrow, Wednesday, will be damp and humid, misty. And into Saturday, it's all showery, and that high, probably again, just a transient ridge, as that low will flatten it off into Monday. Everyone has to watch in. I sort of saw it coming. You know what I mean? The summer is just too symbolic of this summer so far. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye for now.